When trying to think of a compelling concept, we're always trying to think about metaphors, because metaphors are a shortcut to people's hearts. And so when I think about biodiversity, the word that comes to mind is interconnection. And interconnection can be represented by Jenga. So this is the entire biodiversity Jenga tower that we built. We're trying to represent 13 different ecosystems across 33 different blocks. Inside of every ecosystem, you have different animals scattered all throughout, and then we have these blocks that have been removed. These represent the blocks of human destruction that are coming out, and so it takes something that's complex and it distills it down into something that is so simple that even a child could understand it.
This monument for biodiversity showing how the whole thing is interconnected, but it's fragile. Ben has taught us and has helped us communicate in very inspirational ways how we need to take action, how we cannot be lethargic, how we need to reflect and think about some of the impacts that we are having on planet Earth.